So one of the limitations around collections in Shopify is that you can't combine and or logic, right? You can do all conditions, which is anding those conditions, or any, which is going to do or it's going to or the conditions. But if you want to combine them, like for example, in this demo, what we're doing is basically achieving this logic, right? So you've got this and this oring that subcondition. Here's how we can do that. So basically the way I've done it is that this secondary towels and shoes condition is a tag that we're generating in MESA using or logic on those two things. So it's either a towel or it's a shoe. I was having some issues with the darn product type for shoes, so I just did it off of the title. Okay, sue me. Don't sue me. So that's how it works. So the workflow triggers on product updated. So anytime a product is updated, anytime anything's changed, it'll run and it will add that tag, and then it'll feed that tag into your logic there and drop the products and obviously pull the correct products in there. So that's pretty much it. That's how she works. And as always, you can grab this on the automation demo section of the blog and let us know if you need any help setting that up.